I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are well. If you're new here, my name is Omoni and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this color right here. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I can show you guys the length of this hair. So this is what the hair looks like. It came as a natural color, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this color. If you're interested, stay tuned for this video. The hair I'll be using for today's tutorial is from Yolissa. It's a 13x6 HD lace frontal wig. I already bleached the knots before. I was going to install it like this, but I changed my mind. I decided to add a bit of color to the hair. To bleach the hair, I'll be using Blonde Me bleaching powder. I'll also be using 2 of the Blonde Me developer, one in volume 30 and the other one in volume 40. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of the powder into this bowl and I'll mix it with the volume 40 developer. I'll be adding a generous amount of this because what I want to do is to use this one all over the wig. So as you can see, I have a whole lot of the developer inside of this mixing bowl. So I'm going to mix it.
Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me.
So after mixing it, I'm going to pour it into this bucket. And I'll pour in more of the 40 volume developer.
Lego.
And mix the mixture together again. The reason why I mix it in that small bowl before pouring it into the bucket, because it mixes better in a small container than mixing it in the bucket. So it's just to hasten things up a little bit. I'm going to do another mixture of the powder. So this time around I'll be using the 30 volume developer. So this time around I'm mixing the powder and the 30 volume developer together. So now that I have both mixtures, I'm going to keep them aside. So guys, this is the bottom of the wig and this is the part that I want to use the 30 volume developer on. So once again, this is the mixture. So I'm using my hands to apply this. I just want to do it like quickly. I really don't have enough time to spend because I don't want my newborn to wake up and I'm still on this, if you know what I mean.
So me, I like up the fire. I want about man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. I'm for me, girl, them I really try confuse me.
So I'm going to use this brush to add some light strokes on the hair because we don't want anything, you know, too blunt.
On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me.
And make sure you're opening it and, you know, applying into the hair. That way it touches every corners or every strands of the hair at the bottom.
Original Batman.
It's VQs.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me.
So to hasten up the bleach process, I'm wrapping it up in a foil paper.
She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so.
So I'm going to leave it like this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, I only left this on for 10 minutes and this is what I have. It's a dark brown, like a golden brown color. So I'm going to dip the rest of the hair into this mixture.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning, system warning. Alright, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like
So I'm trying really hard to avoid the bleach touching the knots because I already bleached the knot. I don't want to over bleach the knot. So
me girl say she whine it on me thing so. Move your body on me thing and whine it on me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it on me thing so. I not bad man and they want to say. She not bad man, they want to fail.
It's VQs.
Original Batman. Standard.
So guys, I've applied the bleach on the hair. So guys, I've applied the bleach on the wig and I'm going to leave it to sit like this for about 10 to 15 minutes before washing it out. So guys, this is 10 minutes after. I'm going to wash out the bleach because I already have the shade that I want for this look. So I'm just going to wash the bleach out.
Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now.
To tone down the orange tone on this hair, I'll be using the Frontal No Orange shampoo. So I'm going to apply it generously on the hair and massage it into the hair.
One time me never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come them a be my.
So I'm going to leave this on for about 5 to 7 minutes before washing it out. So guys, it's been 10 minutes already and I'm going to wash out the shampoo.
My slow, bad man on the road. Get them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah.
So guys, I'm going to pour this hot water into these buckets. So I'll be using 2 shades of Adore hair color, one paprika and rich amber. So I'm going to be using half of the paprika and few drops of the rich amber.
Original Batman. One time. He's butty baby. VQs, mix and
And I will not be dipping the entire wig into the mixture. I just want the top to be brown and then the bottom a different shade, if you understand what I mean.
It's VQs.
So guys, I'm going to hang this to air dry and then I'll come back to show you guys what the color looks like, because at this point you cannot really see the color and what it looks like. So when it dries down, you'll be able to see it properly. So guys, this is what the hair is looking like after coiling it. Don't know if you guys can see the color, but let me tell you, the color is so beautiful. It's not so vibrant, which I love, and the hair does hold coils. I did pink coils on this hair. Guys, look at this. It is so beautiful. I haven't combed it yet, which I'm going to comb it for you guys to see, but just take a look at this hair. She's a beauty. She's a speck. Oh my god, I'm so in love. I did some layering on the hair. It's actually my first time of layering hair. I just want to see how this will turn out. Unfortunately, I did not film a tutorial on how I coiled the hair and how I layered it, but just take a look at this color, guys. It is so beautiful.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all.
I'm also going to install the hair off camera because I feel like the video is already long enough and I don't want to bore you guys with long videos. So I'm going to install this hair off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. OMG, this hair is giving. The hair is giving what it's supposed to give, which is amazing. So guys, this is the final result after installing this hair. Let me tell you guys, this hair was super easy to install. It didn't even take me up to 10 minutes because I already did the baby hair, you know, before installing the hair. So it was really easy. All I did was apply makeup on the lace, and I cut the lace and then used a hoodie spray to lay it down. It didn't take me 10 minutes actually. The lace is HD, so you don't expect anything less. So this is what it looks like. It melted perfectly well with my skin, and this is the other side of the lace. So like I said before, this hair is from Yolissa Hair. I'll leave every details of this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Wait, I put it down. Jackaban, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling.